Hello, everyone. Today, I'll be presenting my research poster covering the topic of the impact of Siri on user anxiety during task completion in a stress-induced environment. And my name is Yash Krishnan, and this research is coming out of GBDA 410 from the Stratford School of Interaction Design and Business, University of Waterloo. So just jumping straight in here to the introduction and background, wearable AI devices like Siri are increasingly integrated into our everyday lives, particularly in educational contexts. However, we had the question, given this context, we wanted to explore what effect does Siri have on user anxiety in an anxiety-provoking environment while completing tasks. And so this study aimed to uncover whether Siri reduces or increases anxiety in these scenarios. So let's get straight into the methods, and I'm going to talk about our participants as well. So our methodology revolved around a 10-minute timed grade 8 math test in the presence of background distractions. Participants were divided into two groups where one had access to Siri and one did not. We recruited 12 undergraduate students who had varying levels of familiarity with Siri. Surveys measured anxiety levels, and follow-up interviews provided insights into their experiences. And what this allowed for us to do was compare anxiety levels and frustrations between the two groups in a controlled, stress-induced environment. And so let's talk about what we found from this. So participants using Siri reported mixed experiences. So on the positive side, participants reported having Siri help reduce anxiety during simple calculations. However, on the negative side, Siri caused frustration when it misunderstood complex requests, which increased their anxiety. And now, on the other hand, the non-Siri group consistently reported higher anxiety levels but didn't experience technological frustrations. And so to summarize this, while Siri was beneficial for straightforward tasks, its inability to handle complex queries was a significant drawback we found. And so what are the implications for this? So first, the study highlights how AI tools like Siri can essentially be a double-edged sword in educational settings. So while Siri supports straightforward academic tasks, due to its limitations, it can actually hinder performance during more complex academic tasks. So second to this, the usefulness of such tools is context dependent and varies based on task complexity and users' familiarity with Siri in this context. However, our study did have some limitations, which would be our small sample size and the specific stress-inducing conditions, which, would limit the generalization of our findings. And so to conclude, while Siri shows potential in reducing anxiety for simple tasks, it can increase stress when it fails to assist with complex queries. So these results emphasize the importance of carefully considering when and how AI tools should be integrated into high-stress environments like educational settings. Further research on this could expand by testing other AI assistants potentially and exploring larger, more diverse participant groups. So thank you for listening to my research poster analysis and presentation. Thank you.